Now we are in Gunung Putri and we are going to Mount Gede. Approximately 8 hour drive to the top of the Mount Gede. In the trip, we will pass through several posts, namely Logo Kelinca, Lawang Sekateng, Buntut Lutung, Simpang Maleber, Suryakencana Square, and Mount Gede. Here we will pass several obstacles such as cliffs, rooted roots, rocks, and don't worry, there the climbers petrified each other, spirit and had high solidarity. Okay, now we are in Mountain Paradise Gede Pangrango, suryakencana Square. This is very beautiful and all the tiredness of the climber fade off. Yay! Savannas we usually find in barren areas are flat and low with hot weather, but it turns out that the savanna is also on the top of the mountains, like in Suryakencana Square at Gede Mountains. This savanna is the background of plants that only grow in height, namely edelweiss flowers or perennial flowers. Its beauty is an attraction for tourists to take pictures. This is where the campers are camping, tired to get to this place, as if fade off just by looking at the beautiful scenery. This is the paradise of climbers. Suryakencana Square is above an altitude of 2,750 meters above sea level in Gede Mountains. As far as the eyes can see in this crescent shape, it is seen that edelweiss flowers flourish among the vast savanna. Finally, arrive at the place dream of climbers, namely the peak of Mount Gede with an altitude of 2,958 meters above sea levels. When we arrived at the summit, we were treated to a view of the craters named Lanang craters, second of the sun, that are awakened from the horizon are very much await moment for climbers. There is no right word to describe the sun rising on a mountain top beside its own satisfaction because it can reach a beautiful place so far. Okay guys, hopefully you visit in destination Mount Gede and Cibodas Botanical Garden because the destination have amazing view for you and recommended for you if you have hobby climbing and take picture. And don't forget, if climbing the mountain is expected not to throw garbage and trash is brought back to be disposed of to the garbage bank that has been provided.